So, andito tayo ngayon sa Salcedo Sky Suites in Makati City to check a new foreclosed condo unit. But before that, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at Foreclosed Hub. So, let's go and check this out. So, this is the unit. Malapit lang siya sa elevators. Ayun o. Paglabas ng elevators, eto na siya. 27th floor. This is a one-bedroom unit. 66 square meters at 16 million. That's the regular price. Discounted price for approval is 14.4 million. So meron siyang laundry area or pwede rin siyang servants quarter. May sarili siyang bathroom. And then ito yung kitchen nyo. Katabi siya ng main door. Meron tayong over and under cabinets. Ito yung taas niya. Then meron tayong countertop dito. Yan. So ito yung pinaka-living and dining area nyo. Meron tayong balcony. Very spacious. Yan, medyo naulan lang. City view facing Bel Air Village. Ayun o. And then, ito yung isang kwarto niya. Ensuite bathroom. Very spacious. May built-in cabinets na rin. And we have floor-to-ceiling windows. Facing city view pa rin. Okay. So this is available in cash or at least 20% spot down payment upon approval of our offer, and then 80% balance through bank financing exclusive of taxes and fees. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a property showing, please message us directly. And one good thing about this unit, it comes with a parking space. If discounted, lumalabas po siya ng 200,000 per square meter. Malapit po tayo sa Hill Puyat and sa Ayala Avenue. Within Salcedo Village po tayo. Monthly dues here is 214 pesos per square meter, and pet friendly as is where is upon turnover. Usually first come first serve po tayo upon submission of offer, but if the management receive multiple offers, a bidding may be conducted. So as you can see, the unit is actually in good condition. Konting linis lang, minimal repairs. And ang pinakamaganda talaga dito is yung view niya. Yan, unobstructed. Facing Bel Air Village. Ayan o. City view. So, better lighting and ventilation po siya. So again, if you are interested, message us directly. Business center. Gym. Game room. Business center. And meron tayong function area dito. And then dito yung swimming pool and parks and playground. Ito amenity area niya. 32nd floor. Swimming pool, parks and playground. Hanggang doon lang. Diba?